Wait, what? Where is... Oh, okay, so it's on the right track. Good, 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 good. Fuck. There's still so many resources to fuck my dad. There's still so many resources to mine and use to rebuild all my stuff. I'll recraft all my items and fight the Ender Dragon again. It was so easy then, resources lined the walls of every cave. But now I've mined them all and lost all my stuff when I died in the end. I would never stoop so low as to switch into creative and hack back in the stuff I lost. But it's gonna be a pain in the ass to regain all the things I lost. When I died to him, I lost my sword and all my arrows, my bow and my diamond armor. Lost to that dimension and despawned immediately. I'll have to wander caves forever just to get all of those diamonds. 24 diamonds for the armor and 5 for the sword and pickaxe. I can't lose hope now, I have to beat him. I'll regain my stuff no matter what. I'll search every cave, I'll build my stuff back and fight that Ender Dragon. I'll kill him and watch the credits. I found a ravine and a mine shaft. They'll have diamonds in no time flat. Endermen, beware, I'm coming for you fuckers now.